For our ingredients, we have eggplant, onions, zucchini, red bell peppers, tomatoes, lentils, a special blend of spices called Ras El Hanout. You can find it in the store, but if you can't find it in the store, we'll have the link in the description on how to make it at home, and garlic. Boil the lentils until soft. And don't forget to salt the eggplant.
This is a no oil recipe. We're frying the eggplant in just a little bit of water.
And now we're frying the onions and the garlic. Now we add the zucchini and bell peppers and cook until soft. Add the cinnamon into the pot and the Ras El Hanout. And now all the rest of the ingredients go right into the pan. If you don't have vegetable stock, you can use water for this recipe. And now add the eggplant into the pot. The texture should be stew-like. Final step, we place it in the oven covered and bake it for 25 minutes.